going.
Okay. 2. A 1, 2, 3. Harmonizes with the other one. I'll do it a little slower. 2, 1, 2, 3. Through the whole section, your second finger never leaves the D string. Now, same beginning. Don't hit the G open, it's D. Same thing we did, but now it's 2 on the G, 2 on the high E. And you don't want the, like on the other one, you can let the G in between ring. You can't let the B ring, so just lay your second finger down, and it stays on the G string 2. First finger stays on high E3. Third finger to 5G, pinky 5B. Back to the very first one. Once it's same beginning, but we'll hit the low E open at the end. And try not to hit other strings and have them jangling and ringing. 1 G, first finger, second finger, 2 on the A. It's the E chord we tune to without the third finger. That third note is the 7th. It's actually a flat 7. You can let that ring while we do this. E chord we tune to, first finger stays on G the whole time. Third finger takes over, second finger off on 4A. Back and forth twice. 7A, 6D. You have a tendency to want to go this way. It's backwards. We do use that shape on some things, but this is 7A, 6D, which harmonizes with the last time. Here's that section again. Same beginning. We're back to A. These two, the first one's back and forth. As it goes to back and forth, same here. Not at all.
Awesome.
What an ugly guitar, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.